Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's provide a solution, okay, to this question provided, okay. Copy square root of 15 plus square root of 21 plus square root of 25 plus square root of 35, okay, over square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus square root of 20. This is equal to, okay, then we can say square root of 15 is equal to square root of 3 times square root of 5 plus square root of 21 is equal to square root of 3 times square root of 7 plus this one is equal to square root of 5 times square root of 5, then plus, okay, square root of 35 is equal to square root of 5 times square root of 7 over, okay, square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus this is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 5. Okay, then after we can say this is equal to, here we have square root of 3 and square root of 3. We can factor out square root of 3 times square root of 5 plus square root of 7. Okay, then plus here we can factor out square root of 5, okay, to get square root of 5 plus square root of 7, okay, then after over square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus 2 square root of 5, okay, then this is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 5 times square root of 5 plus square root of 7 over square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus this can be equals to square root of 5 plus square root of 5. Okay, this is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 5 times square root of 5 plus square root of 7 over, here we can group this one. We can group this as square root of 3 plus square root of 5, okay, then plus square root of 7 plus square root of 5, right? This is equal to, here we can say that our A equals to square root of 3, okay, plus square root of 5, whereas our B is equal to square root of 7 plus square root of 5, right? Then after, can say, because this is A and this is B, you can say A, B over A plus AB, okay, is equals to X. This implies that, okay, A, B equals over A plus B is equal to X. Here we write, okay, so that by checking this one and make cross multiplication, this will provide, okay, X times A plus B is equal to A, B, right? Then after, we can factor out this one, okay, because you have this and this, divide, okay, we can divide to get, and even here we can divide X, okay, we have X which equals to X, yeah, we can divide, instead of making this one AB, okay, and then here AB, right? So that this one to be cancelled, and then x times a plus b over a b. Okay, and then what do we want on this side, right? What do we want on this side? Here, because here we have 1, okay, but here we can just divide x again, then x times a plus b over x times ab will be equals to 1 over x, because we divide x on both sides, so that this one will be cancelled to get a plus b over, okay, ab equals to 1 over x. Okay, so by come up to this one, here we can say a over ab plus, okay, b over ab will be equals to 1 over x. Okay, because what we do here is to separate this one. Okay, then don't forget that our a is equals to this and our b is equal to this one. Then this will be equals to a is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of a 5, okay, over square root of 3 plus square root of a 5 times the square root of a 5 plus square root of a 7, okay, then plus square root of, you know, b is equal to, here we can say square root of 7 plus square root of 5, or square root of 5 plus square root of 7, okay. So here, just to look same, you can say square root of 5 plus square root of 7 over this one, square root of 3 plus square root of 5 times square root of 5 plus square root of 7, okay. Then what are you going to do? This one and this will be cancelled to get 1 over square root of 5 plus square root of 7, then plus this and this go to get 1 over square root of 3 plus square root of 5, okay. Then here, don't forget that equals to 1 over x equals to 1 over x, okay. Then after, what are you going to do? To multiply here a 1. When you say multiply a 1 on some solution, it means that nothing will change. Okay, we're going to multiply the inverse of this one on both sides, okay. Here we can multiply 1 over square root of 5 plus square root of 7, okay. Then times on this part, okay, square root of 5 minus square root of 7, and then times above square root of 5 minus square root of 7 plus, okay, because this is equal to 1 square root of 3 minus square root of 5 over, okay, square root of 3 plus square root of 5 times square root of 3 minus square root of 5, which equals to 1 over x, okay. So this will be equals to 1 times this square root of 5 minus square root of 7 over, so this is a difference of 2 squares, okay. This will provide square root of 5 squared minus square root of 7 squared plus square root of 3 minus square root of a 5 over square root of 3 squared minus square root of 5 squared, which equals to 1 over x. Okay, yes, this one will be equals to square root of a 5 minus square root of a 7 over, this is equal to 25. Okay, so sorry, this and this will go to get a 5 minus a 7 plus here square root of 3 minus square root of 5, okay, over a 3 minus a 5, which equals to 1 over x. Okay, so square root of 5 minus square root of 7 over negative 2 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 5 over negative 2 will be equals to 1 over x. Okay, common denominator will be equals to negative 2. Of course, square root of 5 minus square root of 7 plus, okay, square root of 3 minus square root of a 5, which equals to 1 over x. Of course, square root of 5 will go to get square root of a 3 minus square root of 7, okay, over negative 2 will be equals to 1 over x. Here we can factorize negative, okay, to get negative square root of 3 plus square root of 7 over negative 2, which equals to 1 over x. Okay, so this will be equal to square root of 7 and minus square root of 3 over a 2 will be equals to 1 over x. Okay, then after x square root of a 7 minus square root of a 3 will be equals to a 2. Then by square root of 7 minus square root of 3 by square root of 7 minus square root of a 3. Okay, then our x will be equals to a 2 over square root of 7 minus square root of a 3. Then by rationalize, our x will be equals to a 2 square root of 7 plus, okay, square root of 3 over square root of a 7 squared minus square root of 3 squared. Okay, then our x will be equals to a 2 bracket of square root of 7 plus square root of 3 over 7 minus a 3. Okay, then our x will be equals to a 2 square root of 7 plus square root of a 3 over a 4. Okay, then our x will be equals to square root of a 7 plus square root of 3 over a 2. Okay, this is our answer. Thanks for watching. See you the next time. Don't forget to share and subscribe.